Zyquisha.
Today we are gonna make Z-Juice. One of my favorite drinks that I made like 5 days ago. The ingredients you'll need is a spoon, some ice if you want it cold, and some sparkling water, half a lemon, and peach Bellini raspberry flavored syrup.
And that syrup, I got it at Olive Garden. That's what they use when they make their peach Bellini raspberry iced tea. I believe the bottle was $9.99, and it has sugar in it. That's why we're not using sugar in the recipe. So now let's go ahead and show you how to make this.
We already put the lemon in, but we forgot that I had to add the water in first. So we're just gonna pour
Go
it
ahead
in.
and add it now. Be careful because it's gonna be bubbly.
That should be good enough.
Okay. And then next is the syrup.
Oh yeah.
And the syrup is just to taste, right? Because it depends on how sweet you want it.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little. Well, I don't know if this will be a little bit. One.
A little more. A little more.
Wait. Yeah. Oh my.
Okay, just make sure you mix it now. And then that's it, right? Just enjoy.
Yeah.
All right, and what is this called again?
Z-Juice.
All right, take a sip. He's taking a sip.
Delicious.
Awesome. All right, thank you. Please try this recipe. Please like and subscribe. All right, so we're signing out. This is Zyquisha.
And then I am.
Thank you for tuning in.